Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. It's not only gold that's been flying the last few days, it's also Bitcoin ahead of their much anticipated halving event, which is happening in just a few weeks time next month. So will this mean that we will get a price spike on Bitcoin past the $80,000 handle and possibly towards $100,000? We'll have to wait and see. But gold, on the other hand, has been hitting another nice high at the moment, above 2100 for the first time since we saw that spike towards 2150 a few weeks ago. So will this happen again? Well, the impetus is that gold is on the front foot at the moment whilst the dollar has taken a bit of a back seat. But let's get right into the charts. Then on the daily chart, you can see that gold has started to move even further to the upside as this morning kicks off. And as you can see here, just moving above 2120 at the moment. So what's more interesting about this on the daily chart is that this, a lot of economists thought that this would be a false spike in the market and that the true number was just below at this double top on the confirmation of this double candlestick here. So that was actually just below, just above 2060, sorry. But since then, as you can see, really strong bullish candles on the daily chart, giving the theme that price action will hit a record high not so long. Obviously, we've got the NFP numbers coming out this week as well, so that could actually bolster gold even further. But since this is only a Tuesday, do we have any more room for a move higher, or will we have a slight correction because the RSI is very, very overbought at the moment? Let's just look on the 4-hour chart, though. Most interestingly enough, as you can see here, very steady upswing before we had this really progressive move to the upside. And as I said, we have actually had $40 to $50 in just a couple of sessions being added to the value of gold. So this is actually giving us more of a move, more of a signal that price action will continue, even though we are expecting a slight correction due to this overbought region here on the RSI. We could just have a slight consolidation before another move higher. But let me know what you think if you're trading gold. Very, very exciting and interesting times at the moment. But what's more interesting at the moment, we haven't looked on Bitcoin for a while, but if we just move back, we're just having a slight correction on Bitcoin at the moment. But as you can see here, it's jumped over 40% so far this year alone. But if we pull the chart right back, as you can see here, from pretty much this time last year, you can see that price action has really started to move a lot higher, jumping from the 40,000 area above the 65,000 area and hitting that for the first time since November 21. And if we go all the way back with Bitcoin, you can see now at this very firm double top, very nice resistance being made on Bitcoin at the moment. So we'll just wait and see if that's going to have any more bearing on where we're looking at the moment, and if price action is going to keep on pushing higher. Don't forget, we've got the halving event coming up, which is expected to increase price action from the history that we've seen previously. So we'll see if that has any recollection on the next move for Bitcoin as well. So keep an eye out for gold. As usual, this video will be posted on our Telegram and and YouTube channel. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and leave and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you very much, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.